Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous bag in the drop this week. This is a Chanel Boy, and just look at the lovely deep red colour of this bag. I really love this colour. I think it's really pretty. Such a timeless bag, but with just this colour just makes it pop even more. I think it's really lovely. So we've got a chain strap with a shoulder pad. We have, this is called a Lego brick clasp here, with the iconic CC logo at the front there. Open it up and show you. We've got we've got one main compartment inside. We've got a little flat pocket there. As you can see, there is a date code inside here too. If you want the exact date code, then if you go to the link, it will be in the description on our website. And I think that's all the features of the bag. So I'm going to talk to you about the condition. So we have called the exterior very good. It is in gorgeous condition. There's hardly anything to point out, other than you can see that the leather is slightly creased, like so, which is just natural, and as you use the bag, once the bag's filled, you can see that that irons out the creases anyway. And then the only other thing is, there is, if I hold the bag really close, there is 3 tiny little dots there on the leather at the front, which I doubt the camera will even pick up. They're that minuscule. Yeah, you can see there. But other than that, it looks amazing. The exterior is pretty much immaculate other than that. So that's the exterior. The hardware we've also called very good. And you can see that it the hardware kind of has that brushed antique-y, like imperfect hardware as it is. But there is a little bit of signs of wear in a couple of places. If I just open that up, you can see it there as well. You can see that it's slightly worn around that area, and also slightly worn around here as well. And then slightly on the straps, there is a little bit of discoloration, but I feel like that just adds to the look of the hardware, to be honest. I quite like it. So that is the hardware. The interior, also very good. You can see that it's slightly dented there from when the bag has been closed, but you wouldn't notice when the bag's shut. So that's that. Also at the bottom of the bag, there's a few little marks, but again, not very noticeable. I'm not sure if you can see them. I'll just hold it as close as I can so you can see. So there's a couple of little marks in there, but overall it still looks absolutely amazing, and it's in overall just great condition still. So that's the condition. This bag comes with a Chanel dust bag. There's that. So that's what the bag comes with. I'm going to show you the size on me. If I stand back a little bit, you can wear it as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody. So easy to adjust. There we go. I'm about 5'3", about a UK size 8, and yeah, it's just overall a stunning bag. What I like about this bag is that you can dress it down. You can wear it with some jeans and a top, and it will still look great. Or you could wear it as kind of an evening bag if you want to get more dressed up. I just feel like this bag just goes with every not situation. You know what I mean. So yeah, if you'd like to shop this bag, then go to the link in the description, and it should take you straight to this bag on our website. And if it doesn't, and it just takes you to our general products page, unfortunately that does mean that the bag has sold. But what you need to do in that case is you need to get on our request list. We have a request an item page on our website. If you go on that, there'll be a little form that you can fill in. Let us know which bag you'd like, whether it be this one, but whether it be something else. And you'll be one of the first to know once we get one in. So make sure you do that. And to get your welcome discount, all you need to do is sign up to our newsletter, and also join Armcandy Rewards. It's our scheme where you can earn candies and then you can exchange them for more discounts and prizes too, so that's worth knowing. And then if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with us, then you can email us, or you can check out our sell with us page on our website, and all the details about that process will be on there. And we'll see you soon with some more arm candy.